If you want to be successful and you want to be mentally successful as well, you must stop comparing yourself to other people. Let me explain. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very important topic, and I see this all the time. And I have people that write to me on social media all the time, and they'll say things like, "Oh, it must be nice. You're so privileged to have whatever." Guys, I am right now, as I record this, 44 years old. I have 20 somethings writing to me and going, "It must be nice to have daddy's money to give you the Ferrari. It must be nice to have, it must, whatever." Listen, if you're 20 years old and you're looking at somebody like me that's 44 and you're looking at the end result of 20, 25 years of working and grinding and saving, investing and making good decisions, you can't do that. Okay. If you're looking and saying, well, I'm never going to get to that status when you're just starting out, guys, you got to stop that. You cannot compare yourself to anyone else. No one at your age range, no one at your age range before. We all started at different levels. The only thing you should be comparing yourself to is the person that you were yesterday. Okay. You could look at somebody and go, hey, this guy, I see this all the time at social media. This guy's got logos on it. He's driving a Lamborghini. He just looks rich. He's not rich because look at all the things he spent. Guys, you don't have any idea if that guy has money. He may have bought a Lamborghini because he likes Lamborghinis. He may wear nice clothes because he wants to wear nice clothes. I know wealthy people that love spending money on clothes and purses and stuff like that. And they could never spend the money that they have. And I know people that have just the same amount of money and they don't really care about those things. And they just wear like plain t-shirts and whatever. And they just like, they just don't care about clothes. At the same time, that same person that just wears plain t-shirts or whatever will spend all their money on, I don't know, like football memorabilia or whatever it is. Like, or they wear a plain t-shirt from Target, but they have $150,000 watch on because they like watches, but not necessarily t-shirts. Or they have $1 million supercar, but they just wear regular t-shirts because they don't have to wear logos. But then some people have really hello logos and stuff like that, but then they drive a modest car. Some people have really shitty clothes and drive a bad car, but they have tons of money in the bank because they've decided that they want to retire at 40 instead of 65. Guys, it's all a trade-off, right? You can be the only concern that you need to have is what your path is. Should you be spending a lot of money if you're trying to build wealth? No, probably not. But if you do spend a little of it, you probably, hopefully, if you've been watching this course, understand that whatever you spend, you're robbing a little bit of your future. Think of the Gucci example we have, right? Where a Gucci shoes can rob you of, 3 months of your retirement. The point is, don't judge. It doesn't make any sense. The only people that you should be judging is to yourself, and that's the person that you were yesterday. Are you living frugal? Do you want to live frugal? Are you living with buying all kinds of fancy crap? Do you want to buy all kinds of fancy crap? Are you meeting your expectations for your life? The only person you need to impress is yourself and possibly maybe a partner or something because you want to make sure you do good by them. But that's it. So don't judge. Don't judge your person that's next to you. Don't judge someone at your same age. Don't judge someone based on the ranking that they have, where they are, whatever. None of it matters. None of it matters. If you want to be happy, look at yourself, be a little bit better every single day. And when you do that, you'll find peace and happiness that you're improving and getting better, even if it's just inch by inch every single day.